Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. You know what's up, so roll intro, let's go.
It's gear oil time or gearbox oil time. It's been 20,000 miles. Let's check. Let's change the fluid. I want to see how the fluid is
In the car now, so let's go underneath and check it.
I have on my channel a video how to do the gearbox oil change. Go follow that for torque specs and everything you need to know to do it yourself.
Now it's time for the main attraction. The actual gearbox. It stinks so bad.
Now this is the drain plug. So you can see it has some gunk on top. Let's clean this and let's see what is that. Is it a fine paste or there is something more sinister behind it? So as you can see, it's just fine metal, very fine metal. That it does not mean anything. Gears do wear down over time, but as you know, cannot see any chunks, and it's just fine powder. This is all fine, so everything in the gearbox is fine. If you see chunks, like bigger pieces, then you should be worried. I'll compare the old to the new. Let's see how black, brown, orange, whatever color it is, it is. Tight. Now let's go to the end check. Well then, let's compare old with new one. Let's see the difference in clear plastic. You can clearly see all the bottom, everything. Here you can see those patches, the rest is black. So yeah,
20,000, that's how it looks like. And this shows how important is maintenance. Imagine you go twice, triple, the gears wear down even more. So do your maintenance and your car will last you a long time. For me, as I'm about to go on an epic road trip, it had to be done. Hope this video was informative and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.